Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing some of my current favorite beauty products. I haven't done this sort of a video in a really long time, so I thought that I should sit down and share with you guys some of my skincare, hair care and makeup favorites as well. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video and let's just get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, then please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, let's just get started. So first up, let's talk about some skincare products because lately I've been trying a lot of them. So first up we have this one right here, which is the Dr. Sate's Date and Quinoa Eye Cream. So I got this because I was running out of my current eye cream and I just wanted to try out something new. So I saw this on Nykaa and it had some great reviews and also some great ingredients as well. So this has date seeds extract, which is supposed to brighten your under eye area, quinoa seed extract, hyaluronic acid, which is great for hydrating, and shea butter as well. So I thought that I should give this a go and I am obsessed. I have been using this since the time I've got this. This is like a really nice hydrating eye treatment and I use this morning and night, and it also works really well under makeup as well. You just have to make sure that you apply the eye cream and leave it on so that it can sink into the skin, and then you can go on top with some sort of a concealer or foundation, whatever you're using, and this is a really good one. You should definitely try this out. So that was my first skincare product. Now let's move on to the second one, and it is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. So the reason I got this is because I use a lot of like cleansing tools like the Clarisonic or the Foreo cleanser. So for that you need like a foaming cleanser so that it just thoroughly cleanses your skin, and I was running out of mine, so I got this. And surprisingly I have fallen in love with this. So I had got this like years ago because dermats recommend this usually for people with maybe oily skin, because this is definitely going to control the oil on your skin and it just deeply cleanses your skin. But if you are someone who has dry skin, then I wouldn't recommend this because this can strip your skin of the moisture, because it is like a really hardcore cleanser for your face. So this is what I have been using lately as well, and I feel like it definitely just cleanses my pores out really well, especially after makeup. Like taking off my makeup, when I use this I feel like it has really cleansed my face well, which is why I have been using this, and this is so affordable as well. So if you are someone who has oily skin, then I would recommend checking this out. Next up we have a face cream, and this one is the Estee Devon's Hydrating Face Cream, and I've done like an entire in-depth video on all of their products because they contain hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, which are both great ingredients for your skin, and they're really affordable products as well. So definitely check that video out. I'm going to leave a link in the description box as well as on the screen. So this is their plant-based hyaluronic acid face cream, and this one is just so hydrating and nourishing for your face. I really love that about it. So before applying makeup or just as a daily face cream, I use this in the mornings, especially not at night, just in the mornings, and this is very hydrating as well. So I'm just going to show you the consistency of this. So this is what it looks like, and it just like sinks into the skin, does not smell that great, and it has a really strong smell, but other than that I feel like it's a very hydrating face cream, and I highly recommend checking their products out as well, and this one is a really good one. Next up, let's talk about some hair care favorites, and the first one is this one, which is the Vela Invigo Nutri Rich shampoo, and this one is like a really nourishing and hydrating shampoo. Just makes my hair feel really soft, and it also cleanses my scalp really well and gets rid of the excess oil. That's why I have been really loving this lately. And trust me when I say this, I'm very picky about shampoos, especially for my hair type. So when I'm saying that it's a good product, I genuinely really like it, and I mean it, because I feel like there's an instant difference that I see when I wash my hair with it. Next up we have this one, which I have spoken about a lot in my Instagram stories, and this is the Schwarzkopf Nutri Shield Serum, and this one is like a heat protectant serum which you can use on dry hair, which is what I love about this. You can also use this on wet hair as well, so that's why I've been loving this. And this is so lightweight, because let me tell you, it's very difficult to find good hair products for thin hair, especially because everything is so, you know, heavy in terms of the consistency, and it just weighs my hair down. But this one does not do that. It's very very lightweight. I'm just going to show you the consistency, and it just like absorbs into my skin, does not make my hair greasy as well. And this is what I have been using recently, and I mean, this is what it looks like. And I just like apply it directly on my hair, and then you can go in with your straightener or with your blow dryer or whatever it is, and it just, you know, feels also really really nice and also smells great. So definitely try this out because it's a very very good serum. I almost forgot to talk about this one in the skincare category, and this is the N Pucker Hydrating Lip Mask, and this is what it looks like. Since the time I have got this, I have been obsessed with this. Now you guys know that I love the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, so that one is obviously one of my favorites, but this one also is a really really good hydrating lip mask. I use this morning and night as well, and this also has some great ingredients. This obviously has hyaluronic acid in it, it has honey, it has shea butter, jojoba oil, castor oil, vitamin E, beeswax, and all of the good stuff. And the best part is that it's tinted, which is what I really really love about this, because you guys know that I always love to have like a lip treatment on which has some tint in it, because otherwise my face just looks lifeless. And this one I don't mind using it because it's so natural as well, and this is what that one looks like. This obviously doesn't look as dark as it is in the container. It just gives like a really nice pink flush of color to the, you know, lips, and also it feels really cooling and hydrating as well, which is what I really really love about this. So if you haven't checked this out already, definitely do, because it's really really good. And also, I mean, I'm going to leave all of the product links in the description box below, because this brand always has some discounts going on, so you might get it at a, you know, discounted rate as well. So definitely check this out. Now let's talk about some makeup favorites. So first up we have this one, which is the Hourglass Vanish Concealer, and I had mentioned this in my Cult Beauty haul video. I got it from there, and it is such a good concealer. It provides medium to full coverage, but yet it just blends in so seamlessly into the skin, and it also does not crease and is so long lasting. That's why I have been obsessed with this concealer. So the shade that I have is called as Beach. It is a bit lighter, so this is more like a brightening concealer for my under eyes, but it still covers my dark circles as well, which is what I really love about this. I'm just going to show you the swatch of this. So this is how the product looks like. So it's lightweight, but because it has so much pigment in it, it just covers everything so beautifully, which is what I love about this. Obviously it's a pricey product, but I feel like it's so worth it, and I love Hourglass, you know, base products, and also NARS as well, but Hourglass also has to be one of my favorites. So this one has been one of my favorite concealers recently. Now let's talk about some lip favorites. So first up we have this one, which is a recent purchase, and this is the Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner in the shade Totally Toffee. Surprisingly, I had never tried Maybelline, you know, lip liners, and I wanted to give this a go because again it's an affordable product, and the shade on this is so stunning. I just recently used it in my Instagram video as well, which is why I tell you guys to follow me on Instagram, because all of the updates you will get there first. And this is what that one looks like. So it's a twister product, it's not the one that you sharpen. I personally prefer, you know, lip liners which you can sharpen, because you get more precision with it. But anyway, the color is just beautiful, and the pigment on these is so good and so creamy as well. So this is what that shade looks like. It's like a really nice pinky brown color, and I feel like it's such a universally flattering shade, especially for Indian skin tones. I'm actually wearing it under my lipstick today, so I have, you know, lined my lips with it and filled it in, but also I have worn like a, you know, little bit of pink lipstick, so I've just dabbed it on, and I've got this shade right here. It's so beautiful, so definitely check these out. Next up we have this one, which is again a recent purchase, and this is the Bobbi Brown Crush Liquid Lip in the shade Give a Fig, which I feel like is a favorite for so many people, because it's just the perfect amount of like a rosy pink shade with a hint of nude in it, and The formula on these is also really great. They're very hydrating and have great pigment, but I wouldn't consider this as a liquid lipstick. It's more like a gloss because it has a lot of shine to it. I'm just actually gonna apply a little bit on top so you all can see. So it's a really stunning shade, and again this is like a very flattering shade for a lot of skin tones. So definitely check this out if you're on a lookout for a high-end lip product. I really recommend this. Another Bobbi Brown favorite is their gel eyeliner. So I did not get this for like years because again this is a very pricey product, and again Maybelline and Nykaa has gel eyeliners which are much more affordable and great quality as well. But I thought that I should give this a go because this comes in like a variety of shades. So the shade that I got is Espresso Ink, and this is like a really nice cool toned brown shade which looks stunning because I love using like darker brown shades, especially for my eyes, because black just, you know, makes it look too intense. So brown on the other hand just makes it look more subtle and still gives you that definition as well, which is what I really love about this. So definitely give this a go. I really wish that they provided a brush with this because it's an expensive product and I still haven't found the right eyeliner brush. So that's one of my complaints, but other than that it's a very good product. And also many of you guys gave me the feedback that the audio quality in my videos is not that great. You can't hear me properly. So I am definitely working on it. I'm going to get like a better mic so that the audio quality improves. But till then, please just bear with me. Next up we have this, which I did an entire video on, and this I had to talk about, which is the K Beauty highlighter, and this is one of my favorite shades, which is Champagne Fizz. It's such a beautiful formula. Many people were asking if this is glittery or chunky. No, it does not have any sort of glitter in it which looks like too much on the skin. It gives you that highlight, but it still looks very beautiful and gives that luminous glow to the skin as well. And I'm currently wearing it. I have not applied too much of it because I don't like using a lot of highlight, especially when I'm on camera. But this is a very good highlighter, and if you haven't checked out my review, definitely do, because I've swatched all of the shades and this is what that one looks like, and I definitely recommend you guys getting this as well. Last but definitely not the least, let's talk about some of my favorite mascaras. So in my recent video I had mentioned that I have been hoarding on mascaras because I was just on the lookout for a really good volumizing one, and I discovered this like a couple of months ago. This is the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home mascara. This is the mini one that I got. This gives me so much volume to my lashes, it's crazy. Now I prefer volumizing mascara rather than lengthening because volumizing just looks so much better, and this is what that one looks like. So this is the wand. As you can tell that this is like a really chunky wand. I obviously always take off the excess of the product, then I go in because I don't want my lashes to be clumpy, but this just gives so much definition. It's a really nice black mascara that volumizes my lashes. And then we have this one, which is again like a recent favorite, and this is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. Now this is again like a really you know, volumizing one, and just look at the wand on this. This might be the most chubbiest wand, if that's even the word, I have ever seen, and this is what that one looks like. This just coats every lash and again gives a beautiful like volumizing effect to it, and this is like the smaller size. I think Nykaa has a smaller size in this if I'm not wrong, so definitely check these out. And also I really am, something fell. Anyway, what I was saying was I am also really eyeing the Pat McGrath mascara, the new one. But again, her products are so expensive, but that looks so good, like a really good volumizing mascara. So hopefully I can get my hands on it as well. It is so gloomy outside and there is literally no natural light, which is why the light keeps fluctuating in my videos, because I literally rely on only one light. So hopefully I can make it work. But this is it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to let me know what are your current beauty favorites as well in the comments down below, because I would love to try that out. And lastly, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram as well. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.